Welcome, today I'm with Jabra Elite 65T wireless earbuds, and I will show you how we can open Equalizer and also change sound modes to improve or change the sound effects of your music. So we have to be for sure connected with Sound Plus Jabra application, and when you make it, you will find the Equalizer in this place. So we can change the bass, mid-range, treble by using these switchers, these dots basically. Of course you can reset by tapping on this icon, and here we can also find the modes, the default modes that you can quickly change for your own preferences. You can also tap on the plus, where you can set your favorite, your own custom mode, and then tap save to confirm. You can of course name this setup. Click here and take a look. As you can see, it's appear here. So as you can see, that's how you can find Equalizer, and that's how you can change and set up your own default sound mode. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.